Every metal is different. From its chemical makeup, to how you work with it, to the significance it holds for a piece of jewelry. It is so important for Stuller to have the equipment and the experience to be able to do it right every time. That's how we have the incredible variety that we offer.
Technology is always moving forward. Even for something as time-tested as making jewelry, the boundaries are always being pushed. One of the things we pride ourselves on is using all of our resources to innovate and stay ahead in that race, for the best, the fastest, while still maintaining that superior quality we're known for.
As a manufacturer, we have complete control over the quality of all the metals we create here. We analyze the chemical makeup of every metal, so if it isn't exactly right, no question about it, we start over. From the smallest earring backs we make to solid gold bars, everything we sell meets those rigorous quality standards. Using the die strike process to create our heads and findings, it means that a properly set diamond won't fall out. Nothing for it to strength like immense pressure. That's how diamonds are created, so it only makes sense that we protect them with the process that we learn from nature.
We don't let anything go to waste. We meticulously collect and recycle metal within our facility. Even the particles that would seem lost are filtered out of the air. Using SCS-certified 100% recycled metals is great for both our customers and the environment.
It's a great feeling to know we provide the best to jewelers all around the world.
Thank you for choosing Stuller. How can I help you?
I work for America's #1 metals manufacturer, and I'm proud to say it's in my hometown in Louisiana.